Every year at Young's Jersey Dairy, they host a special event, and I can't wait to share it with you. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Yellow Springs, Ohio to a wool gathering. And this is a fiber festival I've never been to before, and I'm excited to show it to you. Usually this is scheduled opposite the Mothman Festival, and Mothman was canceled this year, so I thought I'd come up here and check it out. So let's get started. Our adventure starts here. And this is a Shropshire lamb who injured its leg in the barn. And here's one of my favorite attractions at wool festivals, alpacas. And these are some of the items that K&B alpacas sell. I'm not sure if you can tell, but some of these have speckles in them. And they also sell finished products. As you can hear, no wool festival is complete without sheep. And this is a pleasant surprise, Angora goats. They also have Angora rabbits. And where there's alpacas, there's usually llamas as well. And this is a Angora goat. And here's a yak, and not many people know this, but you can use their hair for fiber as well.
So beautiful.
And this is what the yak fiber looks like when it's ready for spinning. And as you can see, even as a blend, yak yarn is very expensive. This is yarn birds, and I've seen them at several of the fiber festivals. This is created for you by Laura, and she has some really beautiful colors. Of all the shops here, this one has my favorite name.
That's my middle child. Actually, a lot of these glow under black light.
Oh look, some of these glow under black light. Very cool. Each skein shows the painting that inspired the colorway, and it comes with a stitch marker. And this is one of my favorite shops. You might remember them from my video of SAF from 2019. This is Black Cat Fibers. And for $10, you can have your own cardboard sheep. Now that's an eye catcher. This is Tuffy Barron Studio and Farm, and there's a lot of very nice handmade items. I really like these wine stoppers. And these are felted wine coolers. She does a lot of beautiful ceramic work. I wouldn't mind having this on the side of my van. Well, that was enjoyable. And if you're ever in Yellow Springs during a wool gathering, you should definitely come. I couldn't cover everything because there's just so much. There are 3 large tents and several smaller ones. They have livestock. They have just about anything to satisfy your fiber needs. So be sure to check it out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share it on your social media. Until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off. On our podcast, like